Oh yeah. Oh, we'll definitely make this stop. Let's see what somebody left with the pole scrapper. A boat anchor. Of course, we'll take the boat anchor. Not gonna scrap this. It's worth a lot more than scrap. Let's see what else these generous people left us. A couple fans. These are nice. I think antique-ish. Yeah, guys, when it comes to ceiling fans, you want to look for Hunter and vintage Casablanca, but these are nice. Anyway, some venting, we'll scrap that. And we got ourselves a workout bars. Nice. Hey, these things aren't cheap in the store, guys. They're like hundreds of dollars right here. Workout equipment can be very valuable. They're heavy. This one's 45 pounds right there. Stick it right in here. Grab this one. Shove this one back in here. Got another one here. I guess somebody upstairs is trying to tell me something. I gotta work out. And this thing, I don't know what this is. Some kind of a floorboard step out for a truck, or maybe, I don't know. I think I'm gonna scrap this. Interesting. It's got some hinges here. Kind of folds out. I think you attach it to a truck or something. Yeah, if anybody knows what this is, let me know in the comments.